Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, scooterattvsales.com. Today we're at the repair service area, and Adam's going to replace the exhaust muffler on the iSpare Mojo 50 trike scooter. It's a 3-wheel scooter, 49cc. This gets registered in the state of Nevada as a moped. It's a one-time registration. There is a helmet law required, so you are required to wear a helmet, but there is no insurance requirement, so who knows why not. But anyways, that's your option whether you want to purchase insurance or not. Again, this is a 49cc iSpare trike 3-wheel moped gas scooter. So Adam removed the old muffler exhaust and he's installing the brand new one. This is the newer model Mojo Magic, they call it. It has the nice custom wheels on it in the front and also in the back. A little bit more narrower than the prior models. Throw that new gasket in there, right? Yeah. Does have disc brakes in the front, so it has good stopping power, and does have disc brakes in the back. Solid rear axle, dual shocks in the back with dampeners, so you can adjust the ride, the stiffness of the ride, by adjusting the shocks. You need a spanner to do that, so you can do that rather quickly. Does come with a tow hitch as well, so you can tow a trailer, small trailer, wagon, kid carriage, whatever. Does have the standard backup kickstart like most moped gas scooters. So Mac, he's the owner, and he drove this through the snow today to get this done. It did snow this morning. It was snowing all last night. It's been, what, about 24 degrees, right? It's been cold here, super cold here, but he's, Mac's an adventurous young fella, so he takes these things out, and he's kamikaze out on the road.
Not on that.
Right? Are you doing donuts yet on this?
No, but I've done a few wheelies.
A few wheelies, all right. All right, looks like he has this mounted up against the exhaust intake there, and then he's throwing the rest of the brackets on to mount this up. This was the old muffler. Yeah. Broke off over here, let's see. Used to be like this, but no longer. It's good that we have this lift. This lift allows us to service and repair the vehicles much easier instead of bending over, so we can lift these vehicles up to our waist height or above. This is the K&L MC655R scissor lift, motorcycle lift. Comes with these side panels to widen the ramp lift for ATVs as well, and small side-by-sides. Okay. Yeah, these are super nice. If you don't want a traditional scooter, this is an option. So you don't have to put your feet down at all once you stop it. You have the two rear wheels that keep that vehicle in place. right, so Adam's doing the finishing touches. This will be off the lip probably in another 10-15 minutes. We also have to do a test drive. Make sure everything's nice and tight and good to go. We'll take a walk through the showroom. We do have the 125Ds in stock. This particular model is on sale. It did arrive with some freight damage, a little blemishing on it. It's not a big deal, but it is a big deal, as seen here. I'll put my finger on it, this little area right here. So we did lower the price on this particular one, $50. So there's some savings for those. ATVs get banged up anyways and dirty for so a lot of folks. That wouldn't matter. So they can come by, pick this up. It's the Tau Kids 110cc, model number 125D. And that's $50 off the $895 price. So there's some savings over there. We got the Cheetah in stock as well. We got that in red, solid black, and then the orange. And then we have the Apollo Blazer 9 in stock in green, also in red as well. All right, so come down and check us out, 920 Matinee Lane, Suite 6. Number here is 775-856-3398, 775-856-3398, or look us up online at scooterattvsales.com. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys soon.